student, I am Dr. Veena Dwivedi from Jaipur National University, Department of School of Social Sciences. Dear student, today I will talk about the Community and Poverty Alleviation Program. You know what is the community? Community is called in which you are living. That is called the community. Community may be the rural community, it may be the urban community. All student from you, someone are living in rural area, come from rural area, and some come from the urban area. So in which community you are living, that is called the community. And in community development part, I divided this slide into 2 or 3 parts. In first part, I will talk about the community. What is the definition of community and what is the community? And the second one is I will talk about the place of the community. Third one is the types of the community. What are the types of the community? And in the fourth part, I will talk about the community organizations. And in community part, fifth part is the community organization. I will talk about the community organization objectives and values and some assumptions related to community. In first, I would like to describe about the community. Okay, what is the community? Community is the community organization is the process through which community are helped to identify the common problem or the goals. Means ki those people who are living in the community, they are working on the common problem and common goals, and community people, they are mobilizing the resources for to gain the certain goal, and in another way they develop and implement the strategy for reaching the goal and have collectively set. Means ki the community member, they are mobilizing the people to achieve the goal, and they are making the strategy along with the community people to reaching the goal, that goal they decided together. And the goal may be the water related problem, maybe the children related problem, school related problem, maybe any they have no any hospital in their community. So they are demanding with government, and for that they are preparing some goal and they are making some strategy, and they are working together. And community, what is the community? Community is the place where the need for they are making they have some need. All the community have the some need, and they are working to fulfill that need. And in community, people are coming together, and they want some change for the development of that community. Like if they have not school, and most of the in any school, any community, people are not going to school. So community member, they are coming together, and they are demanding the school with government, and for that they are making some proposal and putting that proposal in their Panchayati Raj member, before the Panchayati Raj member, and they are demanding for the school so that their student may come together, and they can the benefit of the school. And sometime in any community, some people, they are coming together, and some people, they are always blaming. They are making resistance to fulfill their work. So we have to understand the all kind of people in the community. Now, student, I will talk about the types of the community. There are types of the community always based on the what are the need of the community. It is based on that. If I will talk about the types of the community, that is there are two, here I will describe two kind of community. One is the interested community. Interested community means ki some people they are involving coming together for the particular action and for the particular need, like कि if उस कम्युनिटी में मान लीजिए कि वहाँ पे बहुत ज्यादा गंदगी है, हाँ, तो some people they are interested कि वो गंदगी साफ हो, तो they are coming together for that purpose and they are collecting other people of the community, sensitizing them, showing them कि this is not good for the community, this is very harmful for this community. So they are coming together and taking some action along with the another people, those who are living in community and they are not sensitized toward that particular problem. Now I will talk about the need and benefit of the community. Some people they have a experience to solve that problem, because sometime people they have the some need and they know कि what is the benefit for that if I will work for the community. Then they know people, they know the long term benefit of that work. So they are coming together and they are taking action. When they are taking action, when all the people of most of the people of that community they understand the problem, then they are coming together and they are working together and then they are taking the action for the problem against that problem and they are working for that problem. मान लीजिए कि जैसे वहाँ गंदगी नहीं है, वहाँ सॉरी बहुत ज्यादा गंदगी है, तो वो एक्शन लेते हैं कि वहां से गंदगी हटानी है एंड फॉर दैट पर्पस दे आर मेकिंग सम स्ट्रेटेजी टुगेदर द पर्सन. And next one is the target and response community. Means कि then all the community members they understand the problem and harm for that problem ki what harm this kind of problem maybe for that particular group. So they are then they are making the policy and they are making some action plan together. And after making the action plan, they are implementing that action plan for that to solve that problem. And next one is the peripheral community. This is a very wider community. Wider community, they have a same problem and they are working for the means ki wider community they are coming together to solve that problem. Like कि कोई भी कम्युनिटी है, मान लीजिए कि कोई गांव है, वहां पे सारे कम्युनिटी के लोग सब साथ में आते हैं और उस प्रॉब्लम को वो लोग समझते हैं और उसको सॉल्व करने का प्रयत्न करते हैं. और सॉल्व करने के लिए दे आर ऑल्सो सर्चिंग द रिसोर्सेस कि कौन सा रिसोर्स कहाँ से मिलेगा. And sometimes they are taking they are collecting resources from that particular community people, and sometimes they are taking help of the PRI's member, Panchayati Raj member, and sometimes they are searching resources from outsider. Like वहाँ पर मान लीजिए कोई हॉस्पिटल से रिलेटेड काम है, तो they are coming, they are going to PSC center and collecting the any medicine and things for the benefit of the people. So sometimes means ki they are searching the outside agency for their resources. And student, now I will talk about the social work in community organization. In community organization, when some social worker are working there, so they are determining some objectives, some values and some assumptions. First I will talk about the objectives of the community organization. Major there are few objectives in which the social worker are working and taking benefit or solving any problem for their community benefits, like his removal of the blocks of the growth. Like in every community there are some blocks. Due to that blocks, that community cannot develop and cannot go ahead. So community worker always searching that blocks and working for the community. Release of the full potentials, because in community many people are living there and they have a same objective, and they have a some potential. So community worker, they are taking advantages of that potential, and as per the capacity of the people, he's using the potential of the people, he is working for the development of that particular community. Next one is the full use of the inner resources, because every person, they have a inner quality, inner capability and capability. And some people, they are expert in report writing. Some people, they can talk very good, deliver very good lecture, and some people they have a very good networking. So this is the inner quality of the people. So he is searching that inner quality and enhancing their potentiality. Development of the capacity and manage one's own, like in community there are the PRIs group, CBOs group. PRIs means Panchayati Raj institutions group, and many members, they are working for the development of that particular community, particular village, particular slums area. And CBOs are the group. CBOs means community based organization group. Community based organization group means any community, there are the teachers, there are social worker, there are staff from medical institutions, and there are some sports group are there, and some Mahila Mandal and some SHS group are there. So any social worker, they are working for they are developing the capacity of each member of each group, different kind of group capacity. He is enhancing the group capacity. Next one is the increasing the ability to functions as the integrated unit. Means ki this group, they are working in a different level. Some like Panchayati Raj, they are decision making groups in the society, and SHGs, they are working for the development of the women groups, like mainly SHGs group, they are working for the livelihood of the person, and CIGs, common interest group, they are making for the initiate any poverty alleviation program. So there are many kind of groups existing in that society. So social group worker are try to enhance, try to empower that group so that group can work in a better way, and their full capability and capacity. Now student, I will talk about the values of group, any community organizations group. The great capacity of growth within all social beings, means ki all the person, those who are living in group, they are the social being, and they need growth and development. Without their development, any community cannot develop. If in any community, lot of the people are illiterate, lot of the people are not having livelihood facilities, so they cannot include in growth. So for the development of any human being, it is essential to enhance the quality of the people, and this is the value of community organization. The next value of community organization is the right of the individual to receive help in the time of need and crisis. Means ki every people have their own rights, like women have their own rights, children have right to education, and women have right to safety, right to not any they right to their personal development, and every person have their own rights, and this is essential to enhance the right of the people. And for that, social worker helping them, and knowing their needs, and knowing their crisis, in which crisis that people are. If people have no livelihood, so this is their basic rights. And if people have no education, this is also the basic rights of the people. And if any community people have no water, this is right of the people. So the social worker is working for the rights of this kind of people, and first he is understanding the right of the people and supporting that people to fulfill their rights. The need of the social climate which encourage individual growth and development. And also social worker he is understanding the social climate in any community. They have a social climate. They may be that climate may be human friendly, or maybe human non friendly, like maybe lot of caste class caste sex crisis there. वहाँ महिलाओं के साथ बहुत अत्याचार होता है, लोग बहुत ज्यादा अल्कोहल शराब वगैरह पीते हैं, तो वहाँ महिलाएं बाहर नहीं निकल पाती हैं. तो दिस काइंड ऑफ सोशल क्लाइमेट मे बी देयर. So social worker always understanding that climate, and helping people and encouraging to the people to solve their problem, and always encouraging individual growth and development. And next one is the self-help as the essential base of any program. Means ki he is enhancing the self-confidence, self-reliance among the people, so that any people can make help themselves and others too. And this kind of he is remembering, he is making their mind this kind of thing, and then he is working for the development of any community. Now I will talk about the assumptions of the any community work. Communities people can develop the capacity to deal with their own problem. Like any social worker have to develop community capacity in this way, so that the community people understand that community problem, and they can solve the problem, and they can treat that problem their own problem. कहीं गंदगी पड़ी है, अगर लोग उसको देख देख के जा रहे हैं, तो दिस इज नॉट अ कम्युनिटी प्रॉब्लम. मीन्स कि कम्युनिटी में अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम है, तो कम्युनिटी के लोग उसको अंडरस्टैंड करते हैं और उसको रेडी होते हैं उस प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करने के लिए, उसको मिटाने के लिए. मीन्स कि गंदगी है तो उस गंदगी को वहां से हटाना है, तो इसके लिए वो इकट्ठा होंगे, मीटिंग करेंगे, स्ट्रेटेजी बनाएंगे, एंड दे विल कम इन द सेम प्लेटफॉर्म, एंड देन दे कैन सॉल्व द प्रॉब्लम. तो दे हैव टू कम टुगेदर फॉर वर्क. एंड सेकेंड वन इज द पीपल वांट टू चेंज, देन दे कैन चेंज. In community, first people have to if they want to change any kind of change, जैसे वो चाहते हैं कि हमारे यहाँ पे लोग educated हो, then they can bring the any educational institution in that community. अगर वही अवेयर नहीं है, वो कोई चेंज नहीं चाहते हैं, वॉट एवर इन देयर पर्टिकुलर कम्युनिटी, इफ दे आर सेटिस्फाइड विद दैट, तो they can not make any kind of change. First they want to change, then they can change. People should participate in making the adjusting and controlling the major changes taking place in their community. Means ki always because every society they have a change. रेगुलर अगर जब आप किसी गांव में जाओ तो वहां पर पहले आपको डेवलपमेंट नहीं दिखेगा, लेकिन जब आप व्हेन यू आर कमिंग दैट पर्टिकुलर कम्युनिटी आफ्टर 2 or 3 years, तो यू कैन टेक द मेनी चेंजेस इन दैट कम्युनिटी. तो always people should participate, adjust with that community problem, and controlling the major changes. जब वो कंट्रोल कर लेता है उस चेंजेस के ऊपर, तभी वो कम्युनिटी में एक अपना स्थान रख पाता है. तो कंट्रोलिंग एंड एडजस्टिंग बोथ आर द वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट पॉइंट टू मेक दैट community developed and make any kind of change in that particular community. So student, today I talk about the meaning of the community and types of the community, and I also talk about the role of social worker in problem solving or development of that particular community. So you understand that community things. And now because in any community, if community are not working properly, every person in the community बहुत ज़्यादा सुस्त है, and the group that existing in that particular community, they are not working properly. So that transferred in poverty. पॉवर्टी ऐसे नहीं आती है. पॉवर्टी का मेन कारण होता है कि कोई भी कम्युनिटी के लोग ठीक से काम नहीं करते हैं, वो अपना विकास नहीं चाहते हैं, वो अच्छी तरह से कहीं पर काम नहीं करना चाहते हैं, तो उसके कारण वहां पर पॉवर्टी आती है. तो मैं टुडे इन माय सेकंड सेशन I would like to talk about the poverty in India, because I will talk about the poverty in India, and poverty is the biggest problem in any community, because and poverty also the cause of the dear student, today we will talk about the community, its types, and role of social work in community development and community capacity building of the community people. And as I also talk about the poverty, because poverty is very much associated with community development. If that community is not developed and community people are not participating in community development program, so it's become a poverty for that particular community. So next session I will talk about the poverty in India and how poverty is increasing in India day by day, and what are the causes about that. So in my second part, in my next lecture, I will talk about the poverty in India, and now you all understand the 2 day sessions, and thank you very much to listen me, and thank you very much again.